Here are my real-life scenarios for my exponential function. In the store that I went to, I saw a basket full of items that were only a fraction of the price compared to new ones. I looked at the expiration date; they were a few weeks apart. I also heard that one time in a store, every week the price of the product drops by one-half. So if it started out at $5 after week 1, it would be $2.50. Then after the next week, the price would be down to $1.25, and so on. This can be represented as product equals 5 times 1/2 to the t power. Now for the linear function. Imagine you are walking down a street on a hot day in July. Let's face it, you need something cold to drink. You notice a lemonade stand on the side of the road declaring a cup of lemonade for $1 each. The price doesn't change depending on how many you buy. If you buy 10 or just 1, the price will always be $1 a cup. You can represent this function with the formula y equals 1x plus 0. I was asked to find an exponential function and a linear function based on real-life scenarios. I just thought of real-life scenarios and then thought of functions that I could place into them. I learned that there are a lot of real-life scenarios where these functions can be put into play. So the input for this function is the price of the product times the decrease. And the input for this one is the price of the cup times how many cups you buy, and the starting point.